Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded a video, but today I'm here to show you guys how I'm going to be doing some knotless braids again and how I'm going to be concealing my client's edges. As you guys can see, her edges are quite a bit sparse, so we're just going to be concealing those and making sure they look as full as they could possibly look. So as you guys can see, I've pretty much concealed her sparse areas for the most part, and I'm just going to be showing you exactly what I did and what I used in order to do that. So I used the second touchdown edge tamer in the black castor oil version, and this company actually has 6 different kinds of edge control, and I'm going to be introducing each one of them to you guys in my next few videos. But today we're going to be using the black castor oil version, and towards the end of the video you'll get to see up close exactly how it works and my results from using it, so definitely stay tuned for that. I've been getting the question about the ends of the braids, and do I dip the ends of the knotless braids when I do them? Yes, I dip the knotless braids every single time I do them. If not, then the ends will come loose, so we definitely don't want that to happen. Also, I did want to mention that I've been doing a different process when I do my knotless braids. Typically, I would braid each individual braid down completely before I move to the next braid. But lately, I've been trying different methods just to see what works and what could get me through these faster, because knotless braids typically on average take about 7 hours, but lately I've been able to get them done within like 6 hours. The way that I've been doing that, instead of braiding each individual braid down completely before moving to the next braid, I'll braid a section of the hair halfway, and then once I'm done with that section, I'll go back and complete the individual braids and then move to another section. And I found that to be a lot faster with getting the knotless braids done. I don't know why it works out that way, but hey, if it works for me and it works with getting them done faster, I'm all for it. So yeah, I did want to mention that.